Is Shiba Inu going to rocket to 10 cents? Is now a good time to buy? What can we reveal by analyzing what's happening right now with Dogecoin? We'll answer all of these questions today. Today, we're going to be talking about Shiba and why I think it's actually at a great price to buy from both a fundamental and technical perspective right now. But before we get into that, it's important that we take a quick look at this to set the scene and just paint a bigger picture of what's happening right now. And in order for us to do that, we can look to see what happened to Doge. Dogecoin has been absolutely surging again this week on the back of its listing on Coinbase. So why is being listed on Coinbase such an important thing? Well, let's have a look at this quick research article. A report released last month by the crypto research firm Messari found that assets listed on Coinbase had an average gain of 91% in the 5 days after the listing announcement. So when a new coin gets listed on Coinbase, more users have access to this particular coin. And when you have more users, it means more people are willing to funnel money into the coin and thus raising its market cap and value. And that's no different for Dogecoin. So the K9 themed currency soared more than 25% Wednesday to about 40 cents. Investors cheered the news that crypto giant Coinbase was planning to let users of its Coinbase Pro service buy and sell the coin. And that's phenomenal news. And as we expected, based on the Coinbase effect, the price of Dogecoin soared. Now, to accompany this catalyst, there is also a lot of online chatter on Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube about Dogecoin, pumping in anticipation of 9th of June next week. There are rumors that Elon Musk and Tesla are going to make a major announcement about Dogecoin on this day. Elon has a habit of making important announcements on meme days, such as 420, the 20th of April in the past. As we have seen in recent times, rumors about Elon Musk are certainly very powerful catalysts in the market for moving basically anything, and definitely the Dogecoin market. And if we take a scroll through Twitter by searching for the phrase Doge69, we can see a lot of these memes, a lot of these hype built around the particular date coming up. So 69 coming up, 69 is coming. What will the price be on 69? 42 cents. It's non-stop. So everyone is certainly very pumped, very hyped for this particular date, which means that it's very likely that Doge will pump again on this particular day. Okay, now enough about Doge. Now I know what you're thinking. I clicked on this video to learn about Shiba, not Dogecoin. So what exactly does all this mean for the crypto token Shiba, dubbed the Dogecoin killer? In recent months, there is no denying that Shiba has been riding on the coattails of Dogecoin's success. With a current market cap of $4 billion and a circulating supply of 400,000 billion coins, Shiba Inu is currently the number 31 ranking cryptocurrency according to CoinMarketCap.com. I have here sorted for every coin on CoinMarketCap by its 90-day percentage growth. And we can see Shiba currently ranked at number 1 with a total of 50,000% gains in the last 90 days. And it's by no surprise that this cryptocurrency has gained global popularity in such a short span of time. Even rapper Meek Mill has taken to Twitter to announce he plans investing in Shiba Inu. Other famous rappers also showed interest in the crypto industry. Soulja Boy asked around on Twitter in early January whether he should invest in the space. Snoop Dogg also joined the Doge craze by tweeting about it, and Eminem as well. If we go to CoinMarketCap and compare the charts between Dogecoin and Shiba, we'll see a lot of similarities. We are currently looking at the 3-month Dogecoin chart. So Dogecoin started at roughly 7 cents, 6 cents at the beginning of April to the peak of 71 cents before consolidating, or to the bottom of 30 cents before we saw a spike, and now we are consolidating around close to 40 cents. And with Shiba, the scale is quite skewed, and I'm not too sure how to even say the current price. This looks like one millionth of a cent to 3/100,000th of a cent. The important thing to look at here is the similarity between the Dogecoin and the Shiba Inu graph. How it spiked, consolidated, followed by a spike again, into a sell-off, into another sell-off, and consolidating. We saw a similar pattern here, and if we zoom out to perhaps a yearly chart, we can see a similar pattern here. We see a rally, We see a sell-off into consolidation, into rally again, into a sell-off, into a rally, into a sell-off. So whenever we see the price of it consolidating, there is a potential chance that you'll rally again. Looking at these charts, we can see that in recent times, the peaks of Shiba have consequently occurred roughly 2 to 5 days behind that of Dogecoin. And how can we use this information to our advantage? Well, let's find out. Let's take a look at the current 4-hour chart of Dogecoin in TradingView. Following the high on May the 8th, we have seen a significant sell-off, which has eventually resulted in a tight period of sideways consolidation. This consolidation pattern held true until exactly 4 days ago when price began to break out higher. Since then, Dogecoin has made a move of over 50% from the recent swing low of the consolidation pattern. Now let's compare this chart with Shiba Inu. Whilst Dogecoin peaked on the 8th of May, we saw Shiba peak on the 10th, a couple of days after Dogecoin topped out. Since then, we've seen very similar behavior. We've seen a sharp sell-off period and more recently, a tight sideways consolidation. Looking at this chart, we can see that the 9 and 20 period exponential moving averages have been acting as a bit of a resistance for Shiba for quite some time. What has me very interested, however, is that the most recent price action that we can observe if I zoom in on the past couple of days, although we're still well within the consolidation range and are yet to see a breakout, this price action looks very bullish to me and is indicative of some momentum finally beginning to build for Shiba. So typically before breakout, what we tend to see is a long period of build-up, which is known as a sideways consolidation. The longer the build-up, the bigger the potential move will be, and seeing this on Shiba is a very good sign. Another important fact to note is that the 9 and 20 period exponential moving averages that were previously acting as the resistance have now both acted as support for Shiba in the past couple of days on multiple different occasions. So I've here added the MACD indicator. We can use the MACD indicator to confirm what the price action is telling us. As we can see over here, we have increasing bullish momentum on the histogram, which is a very strong sign. Both lines on the MACD are pointing higher and we can observe a bullish divergence between them. When we combine this purely technical analysis with the history of Shiba lagging behind Dogecoin by a period of 2 to 5 days, we can start to build a bit of a thesis as to what we may expect next. So with sellers exhausted and a healthy period of consolidation already taking place, it seems that the path of least resistance for Shiba is going to be to the upside. And that is because a lot of the people who were initially in Shiba have already sold out, and now the stock is consolidating. People are buying into the stock, ready for the up move. When we also consider the recent behavior and upcoming catalyst rumors of Dogecoin, we can begin to build a pretty bullish case for Shiba as well, especially when it is also trading so close to recent support levels on the daily chart. Using the recent low from the 19th of May as our stop loss price, it seems to me that Shiba presents an excellent risk to reward opportunity with massive upside potential for the near future. As I've mentioned earlier, I expect quite a bit of movement to happen around the 9th of June, simply because there are so many people watching this particular date and there is so much consolidation happening without any movement being seen. So typically this sort of behavior hints to me that Shiba is potentially like a loaded up slingshot that's just about to take off. Do you currently hold any Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? And do you plan to get more? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching.